The delegation of Brazil consider climate change as an urgent problem that can only be solved with cooperation and international agreements. Scientific data demonstrate that global warming is already in course, and this has been caused by human action. We need to change our habits and productions in order to change the climate changes and its horrible causes. Since the climate change is a global challenge, a global solution is the essence to make a change. The delegation of Brazil's view is to continuously support the international regime on climate change and especially the Kyoto Protocol. Therefore, the delegation of Brazil don't consider there to be an expiring date for the Kyoto Protocol. It's a cornerstone of the international regime on climate changes. The climate changes has already cost the world too many lives, nature reservations, and exterminated several species. But this has come to an end because it's time to make thought into action. The delegation of Brazil would like to emphasize that both industrialized and developing countries ought to cooperate in order to fight the change. The reason for climate change is mainly caused by a large emission of greenhouse gases, especially from the industrialized countries. However, it's mainly the developing countries paying the price. Therefore, a fair and adjustable agreement is needed so that the countries with the majority of resources help and subsidize even more than the countries that count with fewer resources. The effort, however, to combat changes must be a global one. An important issue for the delegation of Brazil is to control deforestation. Therefore, the delegation has several times presented a proposal to support the national effort to reduce emissions caused by the deforestation. This would not only make a difference in Brazil and South America, but also in other rainforest regions. Another important issue is the development of renewable energy and biofuels. This has already been shown in Brazil, where 40% of the cars are driving on biofuels, and that 80% of the cars sold today are flex fuels cars. Furthermore, the clean development mechanism introduced by Brazil and now in the Kyoto Protocol should be a guideline towards helping the developing countries suffering from greenhouse gas emissions and the drastic climate changes. Different people have different responsibilities for causing the climate changes, but we are taking our part in Brazil and are ready and engaged to do even more. Because Brazil is not only a nation, it's a country of the world, a country ready to save this planet for the next 100 and future generations.